Beneficial Juggling presents Claws!
Claw catches are awesome. They're a really fast and aggressive trick. It's all about turning your wrists so that your palms are face down instead of face up. Running consecutive claw catches is actually not that difficult because you keep your hands with your palms facing down the whole time. You don't have to switch back and forth like you do when you switch between regular throws and claw catches. This is claws in a W pattern. And now we add an extra beat. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And come and juggle with me live on Instagram at Beneficial Juggling every day, 6:30 to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. In the next video, we'll learn about underarm catches. Click the link down below. What is Beneficial Juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.